Check one, check two. Mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Yes, boys and girls, guys and gals. This is Conscious Crypto. My name is MC Medina. Today is Wednesday, November 1st, and we've got some price action for you today. My name is MC Medina. Every single day at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we're giving you the latest and the greatest in global DeFi news. That's right. We are live right now on we're streaming live on 4 different platforms right now. Let's get into the Twitch chat right now. And let's see who we got here in the chats. Welcome, everyone. There we go. All right. And let's see. I'm going to go ahead and keep this open here. Let's check out the volume. Make sure. Oh, yeah. There we go. Thank you for the report and the speakers. Yes, Jungle Man 369. How are your travels, brother? Where are you right now? Let us know. Did you make it back safe and sound? Let's get into the let's see. We're live on Facebook right now, answering all of your crypto questions, exclamation point. Let's do it. Bam. Okay, and let's see. Hop into the live. Let's see, Jungle Man 369. How are you doing? Let's do this, exclamation point. Looks like crypto.com is looks like crypto.com is going to be acquiring 2 US exchanges for derivatives and futures offerings. So we're going to get into that story here in a little bit. Still driving. Okay, all good. Well, let me go ahead and hop into our first task at hand here. Today, like every other day, we start off here on Conscious Crypto. We're lighting some Palo Santo and some sage. And we do this because our intention is to gain more financial literacy so we can gain more financial sovereignty. And financial sovereignty is what's going to lead us to truly be fully empowered and in alignment with the global redistribution of wealth. And that's what this crypto channel is all about. You guys, please leave any questions and comments below in the chat. We need to get everybody to please host the channel. If you would, please do us a huge favor. Hop into the chat, drop a line, say something, and host the channel here on Twitch. And then let's share this as much as possible. Let's see. Bitcoin numbers are still looking kind of slim here, brothers and sisters. Let's get into the top 10 coins today. We'll probably slide into the top 15 coins. And let's start off with the number one coin. Y'all know what it is. Bitcoin coming in at number one is down 0.14%. It's at 57,454. Then we've got Ethereum coming in right after that, also down 0.58, but still up within the last 7 days, 10.3%. And then number 3, we've got the Binance coin is up 1.24 at $632. Then Tether USD coming in at number 4. Solana coming in at number 5, which is up 6.47%. It looked like Solana, according to the graph here, is experiencing quite a spike. How many people holding Solana now? Put a thumbs up in the comments. Do you think crypto is going to drop down dramatically after the holidays? Well, yes. According to a lot of the experts, we are definitely going to see crypto overall go up during the holidays. And normally, whenever the price goes up, you do see people selling. And that is because there's a lot of people who are bullish on Bitcoin, which means when the price goes up and then starts to fall, that's when they start to sell some of their holdings, which is the best money making approach to crypto. Is you want to be able to sell whenever the dips are about to happen, and then you want to buy whenever the dips are about to go up. So dramatically, I wouldn't say that it's going to drop dramatically, but what I will say is that it's going to drop significantly. Dramatically means that it's going to be some sort of catastrophic thing, and I don't foresee that. But what I do see is that anytime we hit a new all-time high, then the following week after that, like 7 to 10 days after that, we see a leveling out, what experts call leveling out. So we definitely will see a spike. Comparing the Solana and the Cardano graphs, we see Solana is up 13% in the last 7 days, and Cardano is actually down 2.89%. Then we've got XRP coming in at the number 7 position, also down 0.94. The USD coin in the number 8 position. Polkadot, the number 9 position, is down 3%. Dogecoin is also down about 3%, coming in at number 10. Then we've got Avalanche at the number 11 position, which is up 0.82%, and Shiba Inu, which is down 4.5% in the last 24 hours, but is actually up 20% in the last 7 days. So Shiba Inu looking like it hit a top point, and now you can see the graph is leveling out. So if you take a look at that, you'll be able to see sort of the trends on how the level out goes. Then number 13, Terra Luna, which is up 6.38%. The crypto.com coin is up 4.84% in the last 24 hours. And then we've got Litecoin coming in at the number 15 position. Litecoin is actually down 0.14%, but still up for the week by 1%. Let's hop into some of the top gainers today. According to Coin Market Cap, the top gainer that we have right now is Euro Shiba Inu, which is up 8,556% in the last 24 hours. So big gains for Euro Shiba Inu. Then we've got TXBit token, which is up 3,760. The Sandlot is up 1,306. We've got Meta Shiba, which is up 965. And the Mars Space X coin is up almost 700% at 698% gains in the last 24 hours. It looks like the Mars Space X coin is still not only is it trending, but is also one of our top gainers today. It's a deflationary cryptocurrency, but it's also a modern high-end finance. Have you guys heard of the Mars Space coin? please let me know if you have. The Mars SpaceX coin, let's see, I believe is available through Pancake Swap, but let me check just to make sure. Looks like they're going through beta testing right now. Yeah, Pancake Swap version 2. That's where you can buy the Mars SpaceX coin. So a lot of gains to be had with the Mars SpaceX coin. And let's go back to some more of our top gainers here. We've got Fire Flame Inu, which is up 437%. We've got Xeon up 294. Unvaxxed Sperm, which is up 291. And let's figure out what in the world this coin is. Unvaxxed Sperm is the new Bitcoin. We have created the ultimate Trojan horse. It's a meme token that is virtually spreading the message that health, freedom, critical thinking, and love will prevail over cognitive programming, conformity, shame, and fear. Looks like we can get the unvaxxed sperm token on Pancake Swap version 2 as well. Pancake Swap having more and more relevancy in the crypto market every single day. Let's get into some of our trending coins today. We've got MicroPets in the number 1 position, and it's been in the number 1 position already for several weeks in the top 5. Then after that, we've got Mini Sportszilla, and coming in at the number 3, we've got Floki Rocket. Number 4, Taboo Token. Number 5, the Empire Token. Number 6, Cody. Then we've got Wolverinu coming in at number 7. Number 8, MetaPets. Number 9, we've got Onyx. The Rainbow Token coming in at number 10, Trending Coins. And number 11 trending coin is Shiba Inu. The Sandbox is number 12. BNB Hero Token 13, Stellar 14, and Rail Gun number 15. So those are the top 15 trending coins. Let's get into our first story today. This, ladies and gentlemen, is breaking news coming in about an hour ago. Sam Borghi sent this in, and this is breaking news about Meta expands crypto advertisement eligibility on Facebook. Now, the company said that it's going to allow many more crypto and blockchain advertisements on Facebook and Instagram due to expanded eligibility terms. Now, the social media and metaverse marketplace Meta has expanded eligibility requirements for running cryptocurrency advertisements on Facebook, giving companies more leeway to market digital asset product offerings. Meta announced today that effective immediately, it will recognize 27 regulatory licenses from advertisers up from just 3 previously. This means that many more applications for running cryptocurrency ads will be accepted. The changes are reflected in the Section 10 of Facebook's updated advertising policy titled Cryptocurrency Products and Services. Before the update, only a narrow segment of crypto companies was able to advertise on Facebook because the platform recognized a small number of regulatory licenses. Now, according to the updated policy, the following crypto products and services can now receive written permission to run ads on Facebook. Number 1, we've got the cryptocurrency exchanges and trading platforms. Number 2, we've got cryptocurrency lending and borrowing services. We've got cryptocurrency wallets coming in at number 3. And number 4, the cryptocurrency mining infrastructure. In addition, products and services related to blockchain technology, crypto news, education, payment methods, and merchandise can be advertised without prior written permission. A Meta spokesperson confirmed to Cointelegraph that the changes also affect Instagram, which is owned by the company. Meta explained that the updated policy reflects the maturation and increased regulation of the crypto industry. Over the years, the cryptocurrency landscape has matured and stabilized and experienced an increase in government regulation, which has helped to set clearer responsibilities and expectations for the industry. Going forward, we will be moving away from using a variety of signals to confirm eligibility and instead requiring one of these 27 licenses. Facebook, which rebranded to Meta back in October to reflect its growing ambitions beyond traditional social media. As reported, the company wants to build a quote unquote metaverse that connects digital social media with the physical world. Facebook initially banned cryptocurrency and initial coin offering advertisements in January 2018 over concerns of so called deceptive promotional practices. 6 months later, the company reversed its blanket ban on crypto ads, but it maintained a long list of prohibited products and services. So, Facebook changing some regulations, becoming more crypto friendly. Now we're going to see more advertisements for wallets, exchanges, and perhaps NFTs. Let's get into some more of the top stories today. But first, let's hop into our first sponsor today, which is Divine Garments. Revolutionary, environmentally conscious, and enlightened, Divine Garments is keen on representing the spiritual approach to sustainable fashion while bringing humanity together. Now, the intention of sourcing only the most eco-friendly fabrics from all over the world inspires a progressive, romantic, and a contemporary look known for premium high-end quality and undivided attention to detail. Because Divine Garments is manifesting at the pinnacle of humanity's existence, ancient Asanoha patterns, sacred geometry, and other esoteric symbolism deeply inspire every design. Guys and gals, go to lovemedina.com. Click on the Divine Garments logo. When you go to lovemedina.com and you check out the Divine Garment store, you're going to see a whole list of products there. We've got tops, bottoms, yoga pants, bikinis, duffel bags, socks. I had another bag here. Anyways, 100% organic. Most of the products are 100% organic. All of the products are fair trade and eco-friendly, sustainable materials. So when you go there, use the discount code CRYPTO20 for 20% off of anything Divine Garments. Then getting into our next story here. This came in 13 minutes ago. The House committee announces that crypto CEOs will testify at December 8th hearing on digital assets. Then we've got SafePal, Bifrost, and Request Network soar after the Bitcoin price hits $59,000. We've got GrubHub users now can earn Bitcoin rewards for food delivery as part of the Lolli partnership. Let's get into this. GrubHub tapping into the crypto market. Let's find out more. Food delivery is a ritual for many, and Bitcoin rewards makes Bitcoin a part of that ritual, said Lolli co-founder and CEO Alex Adelman. So the food delivery platform GrubHub has partnered with Bitcoin rewards app Lolli to give people the opportunity to earn crypto back on their orders. In an announcement today, Lolli said that GrubHub customers would be able to earn $1 in Bitcoin rewards each time they use a platform's extension or app. The funds will be available for transfer or storing in a user's Lolli wallet after earning more than $15 or roughly 0.00026 Bitcoin at the current price of $58,458. Now, the CEO and Lolli co-founder said, "We must make Bitcoin a part of everyday life. Food delivery is a ritual for many, and Bitcoin rewards makes Bitcoin a part of that ritual." So they launched back in 2018. Lolli has teamed up with more than 1,000 merchants to give customers the opportunity to receive Bitcoin rewards when shopping online, including major brands like Microsoft and Macy's. In July, the platform closed a $10 million Series A funding round led by Accrue Capital. They were aiming to scale their services to a wider audience. And this followed a $5 million funding round in March from investors including 776, the venture capital firm co-founded by Reddit executive chair Alexis Ohanian. Lolli is not the only platform or brand name to try and serve up crypto adoption alongside a meal. Back in November, I don't know if y'all remember, but Burger King customers in the United States had the opportunity to earn Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin through Robinhood after spending $5 or more at the fast food chain. Also, Landry's Restaurant Group, the company behind Bubba Gump Shrimp Company, announced a similar initiative last month for diners to earn $25 in Bitcoin for every $250 spent. According to data coming in from Cointelegraph Markets Pro, the price of Bitcoin is $58,458 at the time of publication. And it had fallen more than 15% since reaching an all-time high of 69,000 back on November 10th. We reported that the crypto has seen rejection at $60,000 more than once since dropping under the key level in November. So we've got GrubHub tapping into the same market that the Landry's Restaurant Group tapped into. Burger King tapped into it. We've got AMC Theaters. Let's see. You guys hop into your apps right now. Let's see if we can find the Lolli app, because I'm probably gonna just go ahead and order some food right now, because I want to get these crypto rewards. Got to get this Bitcoin back. Lolli, earn cash or Bitcoin. There it is, guys, right there. The Lolli app. Tap on that, get the app, and let's see how many Bitcoin rewards we can get. Learning something new every single day, guys. If you have any new information to share with me, please drop that in the comments below. I want to be able to address everything, all the newest, latest, and greatest developments. And let's get into some DeFi news. See if we can get into some of this decentralized finance news. What's the latest and the greatest here? We've got Borderless Capital launching a $500 million fund for Algorand projects. We've got the IDEX to launch a hybrid liquidity decentralized exchange on Polygon. Let's see what this is all about. The platform seeks to provide solutions to drawbacks on traditional decentralized exchange platforms, most notably front running and slippages. IDEX is a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange based in San Francisco, and they announced the upcoming launch of their version 3 hybrid liquidity DEX on Polygon. Now, the hybrid model will merge traditional order book functionalities with automated market maker liquidity pools in a bid to cultivate higher financial returns for the service's liquidity providers, as well as provide typical investing tools such as stop losses, limit orders, and real-time execution. According to the platform, operating on the Polygon network enables lower transaction fees to the value of 10,000 to 100,000 times cheaper than is typically witnessed on the Ethereum Layer 1. In addition to benefiting from the network's full stack Ethereum scaling mechanics. For greater context into the burden of high fees for liquidity providers in decentralized finance or DeFi, a research paper published by Topaz Blue and Bancorp Protocol uncovered that almost half of all liquidity providers on Uniswap version 3 have been subject to impermanent loss based upon a 43% data snapshot of the platform. Despite this, the platform ranks first in DEX 24 trading volume at $2.8 billion, according to the data from CoinGecko, which closely followed by PancakeSwap version 2 that said it was $2.3 billion. As for gas prices, many DeFi participants have been encouraged to transition over to the Ethereum virtual machine compatible and layer 2 networks in search for cheaper alternatives, a trend that has resulted in a soaring level of market total value locked. IDEX CEO Alex Wern said DeFi has been hamstrung by issues like gas prices, front running, and slippage since its inception, yet few solutions have truly offered answers to these problems. Adding, the novel hybrid liquidity design protects users from these pain points while simultaneously generating higher returns for liquidity providers to boost the scalability of the wider decentralized economy. Alongside the protocol launch, the exchange is also offering a number of incentives for users to interact with the platform. Liquidity mining is also going to provide 1,400,000 index tokens per week to enhance the liquidity, while a rewards program will acknowledge regular activity. So, definitely got some fantastic news here when it comes to lowering the gas prices. We just downloaded the Lolli app here, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to get into that here in a second, and we're going to see how the flow is with the Lolli app. Let's see here. Bam and bam. Oh yeah, live. Super duper live right now. How do we share this? Let's see if we can share this. Share to a group. Let's do the crypto group. All things cryptocurrency. We are live. Answering your crypto questions. Bam. All right, guys, we're almost halfway through the segment here. Shout out to Corey Turner here. Wednesday Joe update. Bam. Coin trader. Let's get into this coin trader here. Let's see. Maybe I can bring this up. Share this. We'll share the clip. We'll copy that. We are live answering all of your crypto questions! Exclamation point. Bam, there we go. Paste it. There we go. Maybe we'll see if we can answer some more questions here. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get into our next story here. Coming in hot. GrubHub now giving rewards, connecting with let's see, we got Brother Dean on the line here. Brother Dean, we are live with Conscious Crypto. How are you doing?
How are you?
Doing good, doing good. How's your crypto wallets looking?
I haven't looked at them.
That's good, that's good. I'm sure they're still growing. Yeah, we got half an hour left. Yeah, we got half an hour left with the segment here.
But no worries. I'll tell you later.
Okay, you have a good holiday.
Yeah, it was outstanding. I just wanted to touch base with you and let you know I got you.
Okay, fantastic, man. We'll chat soon. Okay, peace. Our brother Dean there, helping him out with his wallets and making sure he's allocating just the right amount of money to this crypto thing. Let's see. Cointelegraph Consulting, gaming tokens usher in altcoin season. Where to earn NFTs target the billion-dollar fashion industry. Wow. What else do we have here? Croatia's largest supermarket chain now accepts crypto. That's good news. Blockchain security firm Certic approaches unicorn status following an $80 million raise. 1inch Network concludes a $175 million Series B led by the Amber Group. You guys let me know what you want me to report on here. We've got blockchain.com acquires Cisocio to cement presence in Latin America. Then we've got Fidelity Canada reportedly launching a spot Bitcoin ETF. China's central bank is proposing to monitor Metaverse and NFTs. We've got Miss Gaia Electra checking in on the Conscious Crypto. Appreciate you. Thanks for checking in. How's your crypto wallet looking? Please let me know. And let's see, we've got online electronics shop Newegg. They're going to start accepting Shiba Inu crypto during the holidays. Now that's good news. Y'all go to Newegg as well, was one of the first online American retailers to accept crypto, starting with Bitcoin, and now eventually they start accepting Dogecoin, and now they're going to be accepting Shiba Inu. So go to newegg.com and shop with your crypto there. Then we got crypto.com is acquiring 2 US exchanges for derivatives and futures offerings. We'll get into that if you guys want to get into that. Then we've got the NFT Game Guild of Guardians raised $5.3 million token sale. Oversubscribed 82 times. The Silk Road founder, who's currently in prison right now, causes a stir with a new NFT drop. Those who support him hope he raises enough money to fulfill his personable and charitable needs, while others think he shouldn't be selling NFTs at all. What do you guys think? The creator and the founder of the Silk Road, you guys think he should be allowed to make NFTs? Leave your comments below on that. Meta's head of crypto to step down at the end of the year. And explaining his decision to leave Meta, David Marcus said that his entrepreneurial DNA had been nudging him for too many mornings in a row to continue ignoring. Looks like Mr. David Marcus is ready to move on from being Meta's head of crypto. Borderless Capital launched a $500 million fund for Algorand projects, which is definitely good news. Guys, if you're holding Algorand, put a thumbs up in the comments below. We've also got Robinhood share price down 70% from the August high. Market analysts are nonplussed by the Robinhood stock price, as long as it continues to ramp up its presence in the cryptocurrency trading space. Looks like Robinhood holding on to their ability to maintain relevance in the crypto sector. I mean, we've got new DEXs popping up, or decentralized exchanges popping up every single day. And it's going to be tough for Robinhood to keep up with a lot of these decentralized exchanges, just because it is the trend to be able to buy and sell your crypto with an on and off ramp super easily. The Bitcoin correction, the weakest of 2021 so far, as hopes of Santa Claus rally rise. If you think there's going to be a Santa Claus rally here coming up in the month of December, we've got a lot of movement all across the board. Let's check into some of our comments here. There we go. There we go. Yes, we are live. And let's see, true or false? 91% of surveys about Bitcoin and crypto are totally wrong. I wonder what that is. Story coming in twice. Now, Ethereum 2 developers call on to community to help test out the merge. Grayscale tells the SEC no basis to approve Bitcoin futures ETFs and not spot ETFs. Ethereum approaches a new all-time high, but derivatives data reflects mixed emotions. Then we've got 3.3 billion Bitcoin mining company called Grid to list on the New York Stock Exchange via a SPAC deal. Then we've got the UAE issues the first NFT stamps in the Middle East. We've got Bitcoin, stocks and commodities correct after Fed chairs mention some policy change. Solana price eyes 300 at Grayscale launch Solana backed trust. We reported a little bit on this yesterday in regards to the Grayscale Solana trust that's going to allow high net worth and institutional investors to gain indirect exposures to the year-long bullish Solana market. And then we also reported about Coinbase going to establish presence in Israel. But let's get into some of the latest news here with the NFTs. Here's how where to earn NFTs will impact the fashion sector and what may happen if they become a trend. Now, before we get into this story, when it comes to fashion, I've already told you guys about Divine Garments. Go to lovemedina.com, type in crypto 20 for 20% off of anything Divine Garments on lovemedina.com. Now, listen, we also got to tell you guys, since we're into the fashion segment of the show right now, the Inca's shoes. I'm going to be leaving a talkable link below in the description. So after this is all said and done today, I want you guys to go to the YouTube channel. If you like what you're listening to right now, you're going to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And just hit the subscription. And if you want to tap on the bell too, you will know exactly when we have a new episode of Conscious Crypto, because we are working with Inca's shoes. What we're doing is we're planting one tree for every shoe purchase. So click the talkable link below. Let's plant some trees and decorate our feet with some fresh sneaks. With your contribution, Inca's is helping to reforest and develop sustainable agriculture infrastructure for communities all around the world. It's the One Shoe, One Tree project in partnership with Trees for the Future by trees.org, planting one tree for every shoe purchase. Click the talkable link below. You're going to get 15% off of your total purchase. And because it's my personal talkable link, you're going to get an extra $10 off by using that link below. All right. Getting into our next story, the rise of the Metaverse and Web 3.0 are set to disrupt multiple sectors, including the billion-dollar global fashion industry. As the world moves from physical to digital, traditional fashion design can transform into virtual wearables that can be leveraged in both augmented reality and also in real life. Now, Megan Caspar, the managing director at Magnetic Capital and member of Red DAO, a fashion-focused, decentralized, autonomous organization, told us that she believes that digital fashion non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, will be the largest NFT category of Web 3.0, saying that digital fashion NFTs include clothing, shoes, jewelry, accessories, and more that can be worn virtually or without gaming ecosystems. These digital wearables are currently being used for speculative investment and collecting, to clothe avatars in decentralized games, to wear in augmented reality environments, and to be superimposed onto photos and videos. While Caspar is aware that digital wearables are being leveraged in decentralized gaming environments today, such as the NFTs utilized in Decentraland, she explained that in the next 2 years, wearable fashion will be more interactive. For instance, Caspar recently demonstrated how virtual NFT earnings and other accessories can be worn during video interviews, where to earn models enter the fashion industry. Caspar further mentioned that a where to earn model will thrive in AR environments, noting that designers, brands, and retailers will create clothes to accommodate digital closets. In order to build a long term relationship with consumers, Caspar noted that designers will pay consumers to wear their virtual items. Brands are going to compensate customers for wearing pieces by giving them access to exclusive items, or airdropping fashion pieces to their virtual wallets, or by paying them in the form of a fungible token. According to Caspar, the Italian luxury fashion house Dolce& Gabbana will soon launch, quote, DNG Family, which is a community-based NFT drop taking place on the UNXD curated marketplace. This will give consumers access to exclusive physical apparel only available through the drop, she said. Dolce& Gabbana recently launched their Collezione Genesi NFT collection to underscore the power of metaverse wearables. In related news, culture converges with the blockchain as luxury fashion brands are launching NFT collections. We'll hop into that here in a second. Now, Caspar anticipates seeing UNXD as the first luxury platform to offer where to earn features. Other NFT ecosystems have started to adopt the concept. For example, Dava Project and NFT Project from the startup studio Unop, Unup, Unopt, UNOPND, not sure how to say that, but it's currently building a system of avatar NFTs that reflect changes in various combinations on a blockchain network. A recent announcement claims that the project will initially consist of 10,000 avatars, NFT called Dava, which will be minted with 30,000 wearable items. Now, the Dava project will set the rarity of each wearable, showing different rankings across a user dashboard. Owners will then receive benefits such as invites to community events, NFT airdrops, giveaways, and new item drops by wearing these items. Given the rise of virtual wearables, Norman Tan, the editor in chief at Vogue Singapore, told Telegraph that he is bullish on digital fashion. Tan recently published a Vogue Singapore September issue, which demonstrates the theme of new beginnings. The September issue featured a unique print cover in the form of a QR code, serving as a portal to two digital only NFT covers, Tan said. Fashion and innovation has always been at the heart of what we do at Vogue Singapore. With the global September issue theme of new beginnings, we took the bold step to venture into the metaverse, the destination for a new class of digital artists and designers. Not only will digital fashion disrupt the metaverse, Tan added that the virtual wearables will help alleviate sustainability issues by introducing a post-waste economy. According to Caspar, 40% of Western closets go unworn, noting that digital clothes can be an eco-friendly replacement for physical items. Additionally, virtual fashion shows are proving to be more sustainable and accessible. For example, NFT Runway, a company democratizing fashion by enabling brands to deploy in sustainable ways, is hosting a digital fashion show on December 3rd through 5th during the Fashion Community Week San Francisco. The interactive fashion show will be broadcast live in the metaverse with NFT versions of physical items recreating using patented 3D realm trademark technology. This is going to allow audience participants to virtually hop in the runway to view each item while twisting their avatar around to view the clothing from any angle. Otep Moncol is the chief operating officer of Ozone Inc., the company behind Ozone's 3D Realm TM interactive technology. He told us that it makes sense for both virtual and real world shows to incorporate NFTs. They are tokens that serve as certificates of authenticity, and they can bring a lot of additional utility to any clothing item. That could mean unlocking a digital version of the item or gaining special access to the designer's online community. Plus, NFTs are easy to include as they can be incorporated through a small QR code for any piece of apparel. Tep Moncol added that NFT wearables also make it easy to donate to charities. For example, NFT Runway's digital fashion show will consist of an auction to benefit a number of nonprofit organizations with revenue generated from the sales. According to Tep Moncol, smart contracts on the blockchain is what's going to allow the NFT Runway to set up, quote, NFT endowments, she said. This is where charities can be set up to receive a portion of high sales through a smart contract in perpetuity. The future of digital wearables. Let's see who's hopping into the chat here. Freshadelic, what's up, brother? Crypto is going zoom, definitely going to the moon right now. We're talking about digital wearables. And this is clothing, NFT clothing that a lot of clothing makers, for instance, Dolce and Gabbana is going to be releasing some NFTs here, wearable NFTs, apparently. While the concept of interactive digital fashion is still emerging, Caspar believes that the where to earn model will eventually be bigger than play to earn. That's right, play to earn in gaming and where to earn in fashion. Following the release of Axie Infinity's play to earn has become the most popular search term in the blockchain ecosystem. However, Caspar explained that the where to earn concept will undoubtedly appeal more to the mainstream, particularly women, rather than just gamers. For instance, Caspar mentioned that the digital wallets will soon resemble virtual closets, a feature that will attract many new users to the blockchain space. Many companies are working on creating interoperable digital closets where you can move NFTs in and out of these closets. What do you think about that, Freshadelic? You think you're going to be wearing some NFTs? Your NFT closet? Although innovative, Tan pointed out that online games helped inspire the rise of digital fashion. Fortnite and other online games, as such, created a whole new economy with brands like Balenciaga seeing the opportunity to reach out to these users in a digitally native manner. This, coupled with the advent of COVID-19, saw more people online and exploring how they can best interact and express themselves in a digital sphere. The co-founder and chief operating officer of the Sandbox, Sebastian Bourget, which is a decentralized gaming virtual world using NFTs, he further told us that the difference between play to earn wearables And where to earn fashion focused NFTs is that one is geared towards players and the other one is geared towards other socializers. He added that the sandbox will soon incorporate where to earn NFTs to many of its games. Having wearables that reward its users based on engagement is an interesting model that really fits the identity of avatar NFTs. The more time you spend using the avatar, the more players can earn. Tep Moncol further shared that NFT Runway is looking to bridge the virtual fashion industry together with decentralized games. Some Web 3.0 metaverse spaces like Decentraland require some additional formatting and registration to work on their platforms. We are working on that as part of our long-term roadmap. Let's check out what other companies are going to be using this fashion industry. The culture converges with the blockchain. Let's see. We've got luxury fashion brands that are launching NFT collections, but will the concept resonate with the fashion industry at large? Now, it's not a surprise that non-fungible tokens or NFTs have been dominating the crypto market this year. The Bloomberg digital asset class generated over $2.5 billion in sales within the first 6 months of 2021, demonstrating unheard of financial gains for artists, brands, and content creators all across the globe. Now, the rise of metaverses has also anticipated the adoption of NFTs as the world is moving closer towards visions of a future defined by augmented reality. As such, NFTs are further demonstrating the convergence of culture with technology, which in return is having an impact on a number of mainstream industries, showcasing culture and community. Specifically speaking, the $1 million luxury fashion sector has been started taking note of NFTs. High-end fashion brands like Dolce & Gabbana, Jimmy Choo have recently launched their own NFT collections, while designer Rebecca Minkoff became the first American female designer to create and showcase an NFT collection during the New York Fashion Week 2021. Let's see if there's any other brands here that we can keep an eye out for. Dolce and Gabbana that we mentioned earlier. They released their Calzione Genesi, which we also covered a couple weeks ago here. I want to take a look at if there's any other brands that we may have missed, but I do remember going over this story before. They also had the Doge Crown, which was an NFT that was released. Then the Eric Hayes mystery box. Guys, let me know what other news you want me to tap into right here. It looks like we got about 7 minutes left. The chart's pretty much looking about the same here. Let's get into the House Committee is announcing the crypto CEOs who are going to testify at a December 8th hearing on digital assets. So the hearing, digital assets and the future of finance, understanding the challenges and benefits of financial innovation in the United States, is the latest from Congress to explore the issues concerning crypto assets. Maxine Waters, the chair of the House Committee on Financial Services, has announced several CEOs at major crypto firms in the United States that will speak at the hearing to discuss digital assets and the future of finance. According to a Wednesday announcement, Waters said Circle CEO Jeremy Allaire, FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, Bitfury CEO Brian Brooks, Paxos CEO Chad Cascarilla, Stellar Development Foundation CEO Danelle Dixon, and Alesis Haas, the CEO of Coinbase Inc. and the Chief Financial Officer of Coinbase Global, will be witnesses at the Full House Committee hearing held on December 8th. The hearing, named Digital Assets and the Future of Finance, Understanding the Challenges and Benefits of Financial Innovation in the United States, is the latest from Congress to explore the challenges of adopting crypto assets. Now, on the other side of the U.S. Capitol building, Senate Banking Committee Chair Sherrod Brown called on several crypto firms to release information related to consumer and investor protection on stablecoins. The notices to Coinbase, Gemini, Paxos, Trust Token, Binance US, Circle, Center, and Tether requesting information by Friday suggest the committee may be planning a hearing on stablecoins here in the near future. The U.S. Congress also plans to demystifying crypto. There's the committee hearing on December 8th is the follow-up hearing for what was the November 17th hearing. Now, though committees from both the House of Representatives and the Senate have previously discussed the issues surrounding cryptocurrencies, stablecoins, central bank digital currencies, and blockchain, lawmakers seem to be giving the technology more attention as mainstream interest in the space continues to grow. In November, the President Working Group on Financial Markets penned a report suggesting that stablecoin issuers in the United States should be subject to appropriate federal oversight, akin to that of banks, and that legislation was urgently needed to address the risks. Well, that's good. It looks like the House of Representatives committee is open to continuing the discussion here on December 8th on how we can leverage the cryptocurrency technology, the blockchain technology, at our best convenience. Now, let's get into this crypto critic story coming in about an hour ago. Turner Wright. Before we do that, I do need to remind everybody about Oregon Vortex. Okay, OregonVortex.com. Go there. You're going to see Oregon pendants, Oregon pyramids, and a whole lot more. When you go to OregonVortex.com, use the code Medina Love 10. That's Medina Love in all capital letters. And the number 10, what you're going to do is 10% off. That's what you get going to OregonVortex.com and checking out what they have there. Get your Oregon pendant and functional jewelry at OregonVortex.com. According to Ben Mckenzie, the blockchain technology may still play an important role in the future of finance, but rich and famous people are pushing these products and haven't yet earned the trust of investors. So we've got a Hollywood insider that has a message for celebrities who shill token projects. Ben Mckenzie, the actor known for his roles on TV shows including Gotham and The OC, is speaking out against public figures endorsing projects in the crypto space without seemingly disparaging the technology itself. Working with the New Republic staff writer Jacob Silverman, Mckenzie made waves in early October after penning a Slate piece with his partner titled Celebrity Crypto Shilling is a Moral Disaster. The duo called attention to Kim Kardashian's Instagram account promoting the token Ethereum Max in early June, a project whose price gained 116,000% in just 1 week before shedding more than 99% of its value, leaving many in the red. Celebrities are lending their names and promotional talents to everything from NFTs to crypto exchanges to their own custom coin offerings, said Silverman and Mckenzie. Together, they are communicating something clear but terribly misleading: that cryptocurrencies and many shady areas of this gray market economy offer a path to sustainable riches. The truth is almost always the opposite. They added, these rich and famous entertainers might as well be pushing payday loans or seeding their audience at a rigged blackjack table. While the wild swings of crypto might be exciting for some, the rewards for many are illusory. Though much of Silverman and Mckenzie's criticism is aimed at actors and influencers who may not necessarily know the types of projects in which they're seemingly encouraging for their followers to invest, they've also called out lawmakers. When New York City Mayor elect Eric Adams announced he would be accepting his first 3 paychecks in Bitcoin, the duo referred to it as a, quote, an embarrassingly stupid move. Outside of merely attempting to get publicity, it may set the bar higher for other political candidates. Pledging fealty to the Bitcoin cult, promising to become a low-tax crypto playground, laying out the red carpet for the venture capitalists investing in the industry, these are rapidly becoming table stakes for tech-forward mayors, said Silverman and Mckenzie. It's not a good idea for a public servant to promote gambling with one's entire paycheck in what is essentially an unlicensed, unregulated casino. CNN published an interview with Mckenzie on November 23rd, referring to the actor as someone who stands virtually alone as a celebrity willing to publicly buck the crypto trend. Unlike some figures like gold bug Peter Schiff, who regularly calls Bitcoin investments inferior to those in traditional assets, Mckenzie seemed to be more concerned with the trends around pump and dump projects and their celebrity backers who are unwittingly involved in something that is damaging to others. According to the actor, crypto and blockchain technology may still play an important role in the future of finance, but rich and famous people pushing these products haven't earned the trust of investors to make seemingly spurious claims. Mckenzie has not had a shortage of figures to target, as many professional sports players, including Tom Brady and Aaron Rodgers, have attached their names to crypto exchanges through sponsorship deals. In Hollywood, Matt Damon recently became one of the biggest celebrities to promote a crypto firm after appearing in a TV spot for Crypto.com. In their October 7th Slate article, the crypto critic pair added this: whether it's Lindsay Lohan peddling 5-figure NFTs, laser-eyed Tom Brady endorsing the exchange FTX, or Akon promising to build a $6 billion crypto-inspired city in Senegal, there's a lot of capital swirling around this industry and much cause of worry. Celebrities are encouraging their fans to gamble on speculative, unproven investments that may see a major regulatory crackdown, if not an outright implosion of the market. Brothers and sisters, that is all we have time for today. Again, my name is MC Medina. This is Conscious Crypto, and every single day at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Central Standard Time, we're giving you the latest and the greatest of global decentralized finance news. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Tonight, as a matter of fact, we're going to be back with the Wednesday night meditation exclusively here on Casa de Prana TV on Twitch. And tomorrow, again, at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But until then, ladies and gentlemen, please do me a huge favor. Stay conscious, stay getting that crypto, and be blessed. Peace, guys.